Hey guys, welcome to Airplanes Trip Reports. Today we are flying from West Palm Beach, Florida to Westchester County Airport, New York. Palm Beach Airport was crowded today. Today's plane was registered as November 655 Juliet Bravo and is named Blue 100 because it was the 100th Airbus A320 ever delivered to JetBlue and was built in 2007. It's time for a seat tour. There's a large IFE screen. I will go more into this later in the flight. There's a sturdy tray table that slides back and forth. Although there is reduced legroom with this new interior, it is still great. There's a large seat back pocket that contains a safety card. The seat reclines a good amount. There is an adjustable headrest that slides up and down. The seat is padded and very comfortable. There is a large window. Let's get going and push back. During the snack service, they gave us a bag of cookies. For the drink service, I got a ginger ale. JetBlue offers free Wi-Fi and it is fast. You're able to watch videos on YouTube and Netflix or any other streaming services. Let's look at the small lavatory. I felt more cramped in this one than the American Airlines 737s with the Oasis/Kodiak interior. JetBlue offers movies and TV shows to stream on the IFE screens. There are 100 free TV channels that you can also watch. One thing I've never seen is the picture-in-picture mode. The live map was very detailed with lots of different angles and views. Let's get into the descent and lands. Overall, the flight was really good. I love JetBlue's new interior. I appreciate that they're continuing to add screens to their planes. I appreciate that JetBlue did their whole service, including a buy on board service. I also love this new interior and enjoyed the flight. Thanks for watching. See you soon.